Welcome to the story of Pippin's Snowy Surprise. In a cozy ice burrow tucked beneath a snowy hill, little Pippin the penguin peeped out at the shimmering Arctic sky. He was a curious and playful penguin with shiny black feathers and a heart full of wonder. Every night, the magical northern lights would dance above his home like ribbons of green, purple, and blue. But tonight, the sky was quiet and dark. "Where did the lights go?" Pippin whispered. "They always tuck me into bed." With a determined waddle and a warm scarf from Mama Penguin, Pippin set off into the snowy world to solve the mystery. Math moment. Pippin counted his steps aloud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, until he reached 10. "I'll count by tens to stay on track," he chirped. Pippin waddled into the Valley of Dancing Ice, where magical ice sculptures spun slowly in the moonlight. Penguins carved from crystal twirled beside glimmering reindeer. "Hello," Pippin called. The statues didn't answer, but a tinkly sound echoed. He noticed something odd. The sculptures moved in a pattern, 3 twirls, then a pause. He thought, that's a pattern. 3 stop, 3 stop. He mimicked the dance and giggled. Maybe understanding patterns will help me later. Suddenly, a glowing path appeared beneath his feet, leading deeper into the Arctic realm. Following the glowing path, Pippin stumbled upon a warm clearing where 3 young polar bears were having a snowberry picnic. "Want to join?" asked Bella Bear, offering him 6 berries, "but we need to share them fairly." Pippin helped divide the berries among the 4 of them. 6 berries divided by 4 friends equals 1 berry each, with 2 left over. They laughed and gave the extras to the smallest bear. "Have you seen the northern lights?" Pippin asked. "They vanished after the wind whispered a riddle," Bella said. "We don't understand it. When light is shared, the darkness flees. Count the hearts among the trees." Pippin blinked. "A riddle! Let's solve it together." The group trekked into the snowy, whispering woods. The trees rustled softly, and tiny fairy lights blinked between the branches. "Let's count the lights to find the hearts," said Bella. The lights blinked in sets of 5. Pippin counted 5, 10, 15, 20, until they reached 30. 6 sets of 5, he beamed. "That's 6 hearts." A silvery voice echoed. "6 hearts shine bright, but one must glow from kindness tonight." Pippin realized it wasn't just numbers, it was about caring. "We'll find someone who needs kindness," he promised. Perched in an ancient tree was a snowy owl named Orla. Her feathers shimmered like stardust. "Wisdom comes not just from knowing," she hooted, "but from trying, even when it's hard." Pippin told her the riddle and their journey so far. Orla nodded. "The lights are powered by love, kindness, and connection. The final heart must come from a brave act." She handed Pippin a glowing feather. "When you feel afraid, hold this. It will remind you how brave you are." Pippin tucked the feather into his scarf and felt a warm flutter in his chest. P.S. The group reached a shiny ice cave where their voices echoed like music. Inside, a wall glowed with the riddle again, now complete. "When light is shared, the darkness flees. Count the hearts among the trees. 6 shine already, but one must start. A gift of love from a brave, warm heart." Pippin remembered Orla's feather, the shared berries, the seal pup's teamwork. "The last heart must come from me," he whispered. He placed the feather on the glowing wall. Nothing happened at first. Suddenly, the feather burst into gentle light, casting warmth through the cave. The ice shimmered, and the riddle faded into stars. The others watched in awe. "You did it, Pippin," Bella cheered. Pippin smiled. "We all did. We shared, we worked together, and we believed." The light swirled around them, lifting them into the air on a breeze of magic. Back above the snowy hills, the sky lit up in dazzling colors. The northern lights had returned, brighter than ever. They danced and swirled, forming shapes of hearts, stars, and even tiny penguins. Pippin looked up in wonder. The lights came back because we shared our hearts. Each friend's chest glowed softly with their own light. Together, they had warmed a frozen world. End. Pippin snuggled back into his ice burrow, the lights twinkling above like a lullaby. Mama Penguin kissed his head. You were very brave today. I learned that even in the coldest places, Pippin yawned, love and friendship make everything warm. Outside, the enchanted Arctic realm shimmered, waiting for more adventures. But for now, the little penguin dreamed of glowing feathers, dancing lights, and the magic of giving from the heart. The end. Lessons learned. Problem solving, breaking riddles into parts helped solve the mystery. Math skills, counting, sharing, patterns, addition, and division were key to the journey. Determination. Pippin kept going, even when things were uncertain. Friendship and kindness, working together and giving from the heart, restored the glow of the world.